In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account so you land on your home screen. From here, you can navigate to your Confluence sites and begin working. Before we create anything, it helps to understand how Confluence is organized. Think of it less like a folder full of files and more like a website. At the top level, you have spaces. A space is like a dedicated area for a team or topic, such as HR, engineering, or even your personal space for your own notes and drafts. Inside each space, you'll find pages. Pages can be nested under other pages, forming a clear hierarchy. On the left, the page tree shows exactly where you are and how everything fits together. When you grasp this structure, finding and organizing content becomes much easier. Now let's create content. First, navigate to the space where you want your page to live. In the top navigation, click the blue Create button. You can start from a blank page or choose a helpful template like meeting notes, product requirements, or retrospective. Templates give you a head start with structure and prompts, but you can always customize them to match your needs. Once your page opens, you're in the editor. Click anywhere and start typing. Confluence's editor is powerful thanks to the / command. Press the / key to open the menu, then start typing what you want to insert. This is a fast way to add elements like headings, tables, panels, images, or other dynamic components. Keep your page title clear and descriptive so others can find it easily, and use short sections with headings to make content scannable. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust formatting in place without leaving the editor. When you're ready to collaborate, click the share button at the top right, add your teammate's email address, and if you like, include a short message with context. This sends them a direct link so they can view or contribute depending on their permissions in that space. Finally, publish your work. Click the blue Publish button in the top right to make the page visible to others. If you're not ready to share yet, simply close the tab. Confluence will save your page as a draft that only you can see, so you can return later, pick up where you left off, and publish when it's ready. That's the basics of using Confluence. Navigate by spaces and the page tree, create pages with create and templates, format quickly with the / command, share with teammates, and publish when you're done. Thanks for watching.